Hey, it's Mario from Pilot Effect. Now, the alternator typically supplies enough electrical energy to operate the electrical system and charge the battery in the aircraft. Let's take a closer look and see how the alternator actually works. Okay, here we have an alternator. The outer housing has various vents. This is essential for dissipating heat. Next, we have the alternator pulley, which is rotated by a belt off of the engine. Rotation of the alternator pulley results in the spin of the rotor inside the alternator. Inside we have the rotor and the stator. On the rotor we have a sequence of alternating finger pole pieces put around coil wires, which are called field windings, that wrap around an iron core on the rotor shaft. DC power or direct current is sent to the rotor through rotor slip rings, and now there is current going through the coil wires, aka the field windings. When current travels through a wire, there is a magnetic field created outside that wire. The rotor is essentially now a powerful magnet giving off a magnetic field. Next we have the stator. The stator is made up of 3 sets of wire loops. Now, to put it simply, the stator is a conductor. Now let's see the alternator in action. The rotor spins inside the stator. When a magnetic field changes around a conductor, a current is induced in the conductor. The rotor is the changing or rotating magnetic field, and the stator is the conductor in which a current is induced. AC or alternating current is induced in the stator. This AC electricity is then sent to the rectifier, which through diodes is converted to DC electricity to be used by the aircraft's electrical system. That was a basic look at the alternator. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.